Hello, this is teacher Kim Hobini, and today we'll be learning about how to say when, while, which is 일때. So when something is happening, while something is happening, you can do this. Or while something is happening, you're doing this. Okay. So let's get to your exercise to see what I mean. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. So 일때 is when, while. The pattern 일때 can be used without any verb. It corresponds to English when or while. Okay. So for example, number one, 바쁠 때는 택시를 타요. So when I am busy, I take taxi. Okay. So this when can be also replaced by while. While I'm busy, I take taxi. So next one is 배고플 때는 라면 먹어요. When I'm hungry, I eat noodles. And last one, 아플 때는 병원가요. When I am sick, I go to hospital. So you put when, while, 을 때는 or 을 때 right before a situation. And then because of the situation, you're doing something. Okay, so it's pretty simple to memorize. While something's happening, you can do it. When something happens, you can do this. Okay, 뭐뭐뭐 을 때는 뭐뭐 해도 돼요. Okay, so this has been Teacher Kim, and I hope this was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.